Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jason from An Auto Addiction. Sorry it's been a while. The weather out here has been horrible in Florida, so I'm sure it's like in the rest of the country. Here's our weather that we've been dealing with. And I know you guys have been waiting on the van update, so finally got the van back today. One of the guys I work with called out all week long, so it's been sitting over in Orlando, done. But let me show you what I got going on. It's been a while since I've done a video on it, probably like a week or so. So took it down, I had all the windows tinted. So I got the nice sun strip across the top. All the windows. The driver ones aren't too dark, but these ones are pretty dark in the back. So got all the windows tinted in the van. I think it makes it really pop now. So let me know what you guys think down below, comment down below. It's starting to rain on me, so this video probably won't be too long. But let me show you what else we got going on. So I'll show you, got the interior all back together. Turn the lights off. But it's pretty cool with the windows tinted and everything nice and dark. So here's my interior. Like I said, I ran rubber matting from the back to the front. This one's a Mark III conversion van, so it's got all the LED lights in the ceiling and stuff. It's pretty cool. I can turn them on and off right here. But let me show you what I had going on while I was over in Orlando. So, alright, so I got the train horns installed. I got the horn blasters, rear tire delete for the spare tire. And then I took it over to Ice Cold Air and Muffler. They're right off Colonial Drive in Orlando. And they did the exhaust on it. So I got 3-inch piping to a 2.5 inch, 3-inch piping to a 50 series Flowmaster to dual 2.5s out. And if you guys can see the bends in there, man, they did an awesome job. Painted it all black, so it looks real nice. Like I said, I got the rolled tips. I brought them the tips. I ordered those online. Here's the other tip. So side exit, just like a factory exhaust almost. But yeah, they blacked out the rear part of the tailpipe, so makes it real blend in. There's my train horn set up from the other side. Horn blasters. Alright guys, so I'm gonna crank this thing up. Let you guys, let me show you how to wire the train horn first. So in these vans, I know, like if you pop the hood, there's not a lot of room for any wiring or anything. So ran a power cable off the battery, and I guess I ran a power cable off the battery and ran it down below the booster, came up and around. Oops, hold on one second guys. Alright, so I ran a cable down below, came out over here. If you take this sill plate out, this step right here, there's a whole channel under there where they run factory wiring. And I ran a distribution block, I mounted it like right in here. So that way I can run power. I got 2 more openings in it. So, flip this around, sorry about the video, but alright, so that way I can have 2 more openings, so when I run my lights and stuff, when I put lights on the roof rack, when I get that, and the front bar, I'll have a power outlet. And then I just ran my switches for the train horn. The train horn has a pressure solenoid in it, so it's supposed to shut off the compressor. I got that compressor and tank and horns all for free. They were used, but the compressor's kind of weak, so it takes a long time to shut off that solenoid. So I put this switch in so I can turn the compressor on, and then it also turns on my LED for my horn button. So that's pretty cool. So the light goes off. So, and then also the other thing I worked on was the intake for the van. So like I said, I got this mass airflow adapter piece. Ordered it for a F-150, and then I had some spare tubing, so ran tubing down, and then I got a reducer. I made this shield. It's just thin aluminum, painted it white. So there's my intake. Alright guys, so yeah, I could turn the train horns on, and I'll start this thing up. So you guys have been waiting for it. Make sure I got my keys on me. Alright, so now I can turn the compressor on. I think they sound pretty good. Let me know what you think. Sounds pretty throaty. Definitely sounds like a V8 now. Intake. Alright guys, so here's what it sounds like. There's a horn blast for you. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends. I'll do a better video whenever the weather isn't so crappy out, but just wanted to put one out there. I know you guys have been waiting for a van update, so here's my update. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit that van that pops up. That'll help you subscribe to the channel, and I'll put links in the corners, up in the corner on both sides, for other videos of the van. And stay tuned. I dropped the cutlass off over at the exhaust shop, so they're gonna fix the exhaust on the cutlass, and I'll do a video on that. And I appreciate everybody watching. See you on the next video. You guys have a great weekend.